pala dito, puta na.
Sabi ko, yung ginagawa mong market na kay Mama, mula umaga. Hapon na, ginagawa mo pa rin. Sabi ko sa kanya, Tony, alam mo po, na kayo ang
American Producers Association po ay alam with their practices in sustainable production of organically based fertilizers, concoctions, and other organic nature resources. Siyempre, ang ating pong group, we are also proud that they are all women organizations. Para matunayan sila. And now to award the Best Technology Implementer, still under generation for women agriculture, now in macro gardens category, is hereby awarded to Sagamil Community Model Farm at Quezon City. Congratulations po.
Mainit dyan ah, dito kayo.
If there's one farm beside talagang wonders of circular economy, that is our proud arm, Sunnyvale Community Model